Hello kids! Today the topic is backward counting 50 to 41. So, are you ready kids? Let's get started. Yay! 50 4 9 49 4 8 48 4 7 47 4 6 46. So 45 4 4 4 3 43 4 2 42 4 1 41. So 50 49 48 47 46 45 44 43 42 41. Yay!